Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking, can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. So let's go ahead and get started. Maybe you got some crypto. Maybe you got some crypto on this dump. Let's go in 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. Man, I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready. But it's okay, because we are getting ready. We are getting ready. I appreciate everybody who's here. And I just came from outside, and it's very cold. It's supposed to be freezing temperature today. Freezing temperature later on tonight. So it's cold. All right, we're gonna say hi to the chat in just a second. Everybody's here, put a 1 in the chat. Everybody who's here, put a 1 so I can make sure to give you a shout out. And thank you guys for being here. We're doing a very slow walk because, again, I don't want to sweat and it being super cold. I'm old and I don't want to get sick. Looking at the crypto bubbles on the daily, holy smokes. Holy smokes. Lots of double-digit reds. If you're in shorts, well, then they played out wonderfully. If you're not in shorts, not so much. We're in a long XMR. I believe we're still in that one. And then, of course, we're in, I think, like 3 shorts. And right now, we're in a scalp long. So we'll see how that one goes. Let's look at the hourly. Why are we on a scalp long? Possible bounce. Possible bounce due to the price coming down. We may get a bounce, so we'll see. We shall see. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. We have Aster up 2.2%, and that's about it. That's the highest one, I think. Oh, CC 4.2%. Let us look at our fear and greed index. We were at 49, and now we're at 44. Down 5 points. Let's look at our liquidations heat map. Refresh the page. We're going to look at the 24-hour time frame. Also, we're going to reduce our liquidity threshold thanks to our buddy Al. He is a successful trader, and he gave us this tip. It was here the whole time. Never noticed it. Same thing with this liquidation map. We click this, we can see this. Makes us look a little fancy. Lots of liquidations up here. And that's just because, well, price went down. As price goes down, people do shorts. They put their stop losses. Nothing too exciting. We do have some, and I mean, just look at this. Our stops, people put them here for long, and then maybe a little bit lower, and then underneath this wick. So it just kind of makes sense. You know, this is where you would put your stop more than likely. The market makers may come and tap it real quick to go up, or they may just start going up. And then, of course, as we go up, the liquidations build up to the downside. As we come down, the liquidations build up to the upside. So that's how we deal with liquidation. So let's go to the 12-hour time frame. On the 12-hour, it looks the same. Nothing too crazy. Let's go to the 3-day. On the 3-day, holy smokes. So whenever we go sideways, we build liquidations or stop losses above and below. And it just depends on the market makers, which way they want to take it first. They could come down, then go up, or they could go up and then down. So we never know. You can have divergence, bullish divergence, bearish divergence, crossing the MAs. You can have all that stuff. And the market makers can do whatever they want. They really can. So what we do is we trade level by level. If it breaks this level, there's a pretty good chance that we might get this. Doesn't mean that it will. It does not mean that it will happen. It just means that, well, we broke the level, so we're closer. The odds, the opportunity, the possibility, the whatever you want to call it, the probability is greater. Why? Because we broke the level. We're getting closer. Let's go to when you kind of just uncomplicate trading. It makes it so much less stressful. If you have a schematic 14R and a schematic 32C, there's too many thought process that once it happens, you're like, oh, it was a schematic R14, not an S33. Oh, well, that doesn't help. So just to let you know, we trade level by level. If it breaks a level, well, we're closer. It literally makes sense. Literally. We got people in the chat. Very nice. I'm gonna say hi to everybody in just a moment. Let's go to Clash. Hey, what happened to my chart? Oh no. It finally erased. We've been doing this for months. It finally erased. It's okay. Right now it's still good. You know, we were talking about it way over here, doing this number, broke our level, went up 117%. Of course, all this you can verify on the previous videos. Right now, let's do a magnet. Let's do a box. And this is our box. All right, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so I can get a little bit more accurate. Come on, Joe. All right. So this is our box. This is our box that we want to bounce. This is our box that we want to bounce. We can see we broke out of the box, started bouncing on it. So if we do come all the way down, and if we do, it's okay. We could have the potential of continue going up. But if we break below this box, 0.3838, 0.3402, not good, because then we can come back all the way down. So just keep an eye on that. Let us look at Bitcoin. Let's say hi to the chat. So who do we have first? We had Sin. Sin was number one. Thank you, Sin. Thank you, Sin, for being here. You're the best. And wait for it. My favorite. You're my favorite, man. You were number one. I love it. I love it. Let's see here. Tommy 2 Liters was number 2 and in the house. Very nice. We got JR. Excellent. Dave P. Melissa One Love. I love it. I love it. Let's see here. We got Sin. Dave P. Melissa One Love. We got Alex in the house. What's up, Alex? Appreciate you, man, being here. Like and sub, everyone. Yeah, definitely. It really does help support the channel. And for here, what we do is we want to build strong traders. We don't want to bamboozle you. We want you to potentially make money to where you can, not have to look at your bank account when you go grocery shopping, or maybe the kids, school clothes. You got to start buying. Man, that's a lot of money right there. Kids' school clothes and everything else. Yeah. So hopefully this will help. Not financial advice, of course. Let's see here. Smack the like. I love it. I love it. Let's see here. JP says, what a dump. Trying to shake me out. Joe, I took it long on virtual. Caught it at 81. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I love it. I love it. Yeah, virtuals, I was looking for a short yesterday, day before. Never took it though. It looked great, and then it started kind of going sideways. It's like, I don't know. But man, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. It would have been really great because of the dump that we had. But I didn't know the dump was going to happen. But what did we think yesterday might happen? Well, this is actually 2 days ago, on the 15th, 3 days ago. So 3 days ago, we were thinking plan A is yellow. If we came up, I'm thinking we're going to come down. If we go down, I'm thinking we're going to go to the 382, maybe the 0.5. I would like to see the 0.5. This is really nice and healthy. And as time went on, now this was just in case we continue, we went up and then we go up, but I did not think this was going to happen. It could have, but I'm more along the lines of coming down. My plan A, coming down. Then we started going sideways. And here, when the price was here, this on a 9 p.m. Eastern time show, we were here, and I'm thinking it's fine and okay if we bounce in this zone. What happened? From here, price did not continue going up. Price actually came down to our bounce zone, came up, and when the price was here, I'm thinking we may come up, do a lower high, if not, maybe get rejected, equal highs, come down, and maybe bounce. This would be great. But if we come in here and we get, break the zone, not good. That's what we're talking about. So we could come down here. If we don't bounce, then more than likely we're going to come for the 0.5, more than likely. Then we were here. And when we were here, I was like, ooh, I'm not liking it. It's sideways for too long. And because it's sideways for too long, the possibility of it going to 0.5 is greater. Could it go up? Sure, of course. Now, one thing that you'll notice with me, even though my plan played out, even though we went down, played out, I don't say, oh, I told you so, and I know what's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll tell you that right now. I do not know what's gonna happen. But I am very, very, we'll put it this way. The odds, because I deal with probabilities, the odds of the plan A playing out is pretty great. It doesn't always play out, that's for sure. If it did, can you imagine how rich I'd be from just trading? So just to let you know, this is what we do. We go over a thought process, what we had, and then what happened, versus what everybody else does. They spend 15, 20, 30 minutes saying how you could have made money, what you should have done, where you could have entered and make. Who, in my opinion, who cares about that? How I could have made money? How can I make money? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it's going to go up or down? Let me know. It could go up or down. Okay, what's your plan A? Well, if it does this, then look for this. If it does this, then look for this. Okay, but what are you leaning towards? For me, I tell you my thought process. Here, process here. I'm thinking, not looking good still. If we do come up, maybe to here, come back down, break the low, and continue down. This is what I was thinking. What ends up happening, it goes sideways. It's not looking good. It's looking actually bad. And then we come up only to get rejected again off of this level. And then we come down. This is the level that we're looking at, 95,584. Sure enough, we broke this level. This was important. We broke this level, but we didn't just break the level. We dumped. Look at that big candle in the 1 hour. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Do you need to join my group to know this? Yeah. Watch me every day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. I show you my thought process. And then you can potentially trade based off of this, whether it's Bitcoin, the alts. Most alts are following Bitcoin. So just to let you know. Of course, in the VIP, I give them updates on the coins that we're in, moving the stop loss into profit, all that fun stuff. But we came down here. Then here, I made a video for my VIP and also the free group. If you don't have money, don't let that stop you. If you don't have money, join, ask in the Telegram, ask to get into the free portion of the Telegram. In there, I post the Bitcoin updates. Not all of them, but some of them that I do for the VIP. And then also if you like Discord, which I don't, but if you like Discord, the link's in the description, join the Discord. In there, I'm forced to do like 40-second videos. In Telegram, you can have the 2-minute video, 5-minute video, 8-minute video. Sometimes I do 12-minute videos going over Bitcoin. And here's a little secret. Sometimes I share updates on our active trades. So they may be ready to enter as well. Let you know. But that's only in the Telegram. Because in the Discord, I'm not going to pay Discord. I think it's like $20 a month so I can give out more free content. Nah. If the members in the Discord want to pay that extra money, then they can to get these long videos that I'm doing for the VIP. Now, granted, I don't share all the VIP videos. That would not be fair. But you get a lot of great stuff in the free portion, and then of course in the paid portion. All right, moving on. So I made a video here saying, hey, we could go up. You know, we could, because all this did, we talked about this, where I think there was a lot of liquidation. There was a huge block of liquidations. I believe it was like right around 93, 93.3, I guess, 93.5. No, 93.3, I think it was. And this level right here was 93.6. So I said we could potentially have a candle body close right here on the 0.5, but a wick to get these a lot of liquidity. And what ended up happening? All the way down, and then some, and then some. Let's see here. Got the ninjas in the chat. I love it. I love it. Art says, shout out to Bamboozled. Yes. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto in the house. What's up? What's going on? Did I catch the short? Nah, man. I'm thinking this was my plan A the whole time. I was thinking to enter the short. I didn't though. I didn't. It would have been so nice. But I did not think we were gonna go up. I don't like being in too many trades. I'm actually doing some scalps, and I'll have like maybe 1 or 2 open. But and at this time, back over here, I think I had like 3 trades, maybe 4 trades open for shorts. But since I do higher leverage, I ended up moving my stop loss really tight, taking profit, of course, and then getting stopped out. But I think this morning, I don't think I had any trades, but I didn't take this. No, but it would have been nice though. Newbie Crypto says, looking for long. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I love it. I love it. So right now, I think we might bounce. I think we may do something like this. Boop. Come up. So we'll see. Any coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? Well, let me know. Let me know. Drift. What was drift? Oh yeah. So we were looking at drift. Oh, daily maybe. I don't know what we were looking at drift for, but I might have said, normally I put notes on here, but I might have said we're in this zone, this block, and we need to break up. Maybe this can't be an alert. Maybe this would be the first target if you were in the long, but we're in this block, and it sucks. We start coming out, and then bloop, just because of Bitcoin. Just because of Bitcoin. This one was a stock that a new viewer was asking about, which was here a few weeks ago. And sure enough, plan A played out, which is nice. Silver. Oh my gosh, silver. Man, I get sick of looking at silver. I could have bought it at, could have, should have, would have. Bought it at $20. Buy a whole bunch of silver coins. But what did I do? I'll wait next week. Next week. Now it's at $93. 93. I'm gonna go through all my quarters and see if I have any silver quarters. XMR, we're doing a short. Oh no, we're doing a long. What happened on this one? It was a scalp trade. Lower entry. We moved up. I think we moved up our stop loss. XMR. This one we traded a few times. I don't think it's the update, but oh man, I'm in it. Well, I was in this. I think it was over here. 18. Yeah, I think it was over here. I re-entered the long, took my profit, higher leverage though, and I got stopped out somewhere here. I didn't happen to catch this. I didn't do any trades. Right now I just entered a trade. XMR, I think is going to be good, you know, for a longer term hold. And longer term, I just mean like a week, maybe 2 for XMR. Let's see here. Checking the chats. Okay. That says silver. I don't know why I have 2 silvers, different ones. STX. Oh, this was a short that we were. Now this it wasn't an actual call. This was at the very end of the show, and the price was here. And I'm saying, if you wanted to, the blue line means enter. If you wanted to, you could enter. This is extremely aggressive. The price may come up before coming down. This would be a safer entry. If the price continued coming down and not up. So here's the thing, guys. Like, I give you the whole plan, the whole thought process. And if you watch these videos, like, you can take these trades. Like, I'm giving you the actual thought process. If the price were to continue coming down, because all it's doing is coming down. If it continues coming down, then if it comes up, gets rejected over this level, starts coming down, this would be an aggressive entry because it could go up again. But if we break the pivot, then we add to the short. This right here is very, very aggressive. And what happened? Price went up, price came down, broke this level. Could we have entered? Sure. Price came up. If we would have broke this level, really high chance that more than likely price would come up and then maybe start working its way up before maybe rolling over. Did I know it was going to dump? No. Did anybody know it was going to dump? No. And if you're watching somebody who says, oh yeah, look at the indicator and this and that, blah, blah, I knew this was going to happen. Good luck. Because you're going to buy their course, you're going to buy their boot camp, you're going to buy whatever, and you're going to realize after time, many, many months, many hundreds, if not thousands of dollars being wasted, you don't know. Nobody knows. This just did not look good. That's why we're talking about a short. And if you would have done a short, well, then there you go. That's what it is. See, Newbie Crypto says, wouldn't be surprised if we consolidate. London dumps to 91.7-ish for Bitcoin, and then we pump. Nice. My calls as of late have been spot on. Very nice. Very, very nice. Just be careful though, because once we think we've cracked the code, we go in harder, more leverage, and then we get wrecked. All those weeks and months, maybe even years of building up the portfolio, gets wrecked. So just be careful. And like for me, I say this all the time. I don't know what's going to happen. If this happens, then we do this. If this happens, then we do this. Same thing with Bitcoin. Plan A, coming down. Did I know it was going to come down? No. Just probabilities. But it can always change. Always. And that's why, like here, price ended up coming down. Did I right away, oh, look, guys, I'm right, and follow me and join my, no. Because here, it could have gone up. Anything can happen. But it went down. It went to our thought process. And that's one thing from, especially on YouTube, there's a lot of, I told you, I called it, and, okay. You know what I mean? The IMX, we're looking at this one from here. They were to come down, come up, come down. Or even if we did come up, make it still a lower high and then come on. What do? We ended up coming down to around this area, coming up to around this area, and then breaking the pivot. Did I know it was going to dump this much? No. Sure didn't. But this is how we trade. It's literally level by level. And then if it starts going to the upside, well, then maybe it'll come up to here before maybe coming down. But if it breaks this pivot and breaks this one, well, guess what? It's not going down anymore. Not right now. It's going up. Level by level. Level by level. Newbie Crypto says, oh yeah, risk management's everything. It is, man. It so is. It so is. Litecoin. We're talking about this. My plan A at this point, because we started looking bullish January 9. I thought this was a beautiful coming down to 0.5. I thought we were going to come up, bounce off of this zone. Boom, let's go. Moon mission. What ended up happening? We came down to the area where I thought came up to the area that I thought, and then came down, broke this level. If we break this level, there's a really strong chance we'll come for this. Doesn't mean that we will, just there's a possibility. And what happens? We come down, took this, came back up, got rejected over the same level that we found support on, got rejected, and look at that, even to the freaking wick. And then came down. And then once we broke this level, okay, if you're not in a short, get the short. Did I enter this? No. I don't enter all these trades, guys. Like, once you learn how to trade and once you see that it literally is level by level, regardless of your indicators and your whatever, if it breaks this level, there's a higher possibility it's going to go lower. Why? Because we broke the level. Like, Joe, can it really be that not difficult? Yeah. Joe, you almost said easy. Almost did. Didn't do it though. And let's say we come down here, we come up, we come down here, about 38, 50%, and we come up, we break this level. Now what? Well, more than likely we'll come up here, come down, come up, maybe get rejected here. And I'm always looking to the left. Like all these candles, they tell a story. Resistance, support, wicks, buying pressure, selling pressure. And then we came down. For all you wick reversal people, look, we got a long wick reversal and we went up to the upside. Moon mission, join my group. And oh wait, never mind. But look, now we got a long wick reversal and we are going up now. Join my group, because now the price is going up. They won't show you the long wick reversals when the price continues going down. They will show it though. Here, look, we got a long wick reversal. Look, guys, we have a long wick reversal. I've done this too long, guys, to be bamboozled. And I show you like the reality of trading. Look, Joe, there's a long wick reversal. You don't know anything. And it went down. Yeah, selling pressure. It doesn't mean that it has to go down. Like each candle tells you a story. It really does. Infinite Team TA in the house. Oh, wait. There is not sufficient disk space to continue recording. Oh no. Hopefully I can still stream. Did I seriously use up all my disk space? I need to delete some videos. That's what I need. But we got Infinite Team TA in the house. What's up, buddy? What is going on? Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully your live streams are doing well. Hopefully you're sharing the alpha. I do appreciate you guys being here. And thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. Everybody left though. I don't know where everybody went. Maybe they don't like the truth. The truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. Speaking about free, we'll do about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes of free content. But yeah, so what I do is I show you that trading does not need to be as difficult as most people make it. They only make it difficult so that, and use acronyms and make up new acronyms and make up new schematics and find new ways of trading. And they only do that so they can sell you something, guys. That's it. You found an R2D2. Oh my gosh. Like how do you, I've never heard, well, everybody's heard of R2D2, but the schematic R2D2, how do I, well, if you want to learn that, guys, the new trading strategy, and it's 95% accurate, join my group and blah, blah, blah. Join the boot camp, the R2D2 boot camp. It's only $4.99. Yeah, make me rich. I don't do that. I show you guys. Here, I think price is going to go up, to come down, to come up, to come down. Did I take this trade? No, I don't take all these trades. Don't want to. Could I? Sure. Nah, I don't. And again, sometimes these don't play out. Sometimes it goes straight up. But here's my, it's clear as day. Oops. It's clear as day, my thought process. So that's what that is. Let's see here. Tommy 2 Liter says $4.99.95. Let's go. Moon mission. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says the truth is indicators don't work. The truth is order flow, volume, support resistance is all you need. I became profitable once I realized this. No guesses or predictions needed. Newbie Crypto, are you in Telegram? Let me know. Do you have Telegram or do you have Discord? Let me know. Very interested. Very interested. Let's see here. Dewey, ouch. Ouch. That hurts. Let's go 4 hour. Jeez, that's wicked. That's really horrible. I mean, it wasn't looking good, but nobody saw that. And you're gonna get a lot of people. Oh yeah, I saw it and blah blah. Look at this. And did you really? You know, did you think it was gonna go down that fast? AVAX. My plan A was we're gonna come down. I know you can't see all this crap. Yeah, I'm on Telegram and Discord. Send me a message. Trade_intuition. Send me a message. I want to talk to you. I want to talk. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. But yeah, definitely do that. Send me a message. Let's see here. I think that's all I got. That is all I got. Let's go YouTube rapid fire. I don't have any questions. BTR. So this one of the members or one of the viewers wanted to short this, and I was just saying that there were so many opportunities for the short but get stopped out. All right, cool, man. And then the short and then get stopped out. And then here you could have shorted, but price could go up to come down to go up. It's too risky. And then sure enough, stop loss would have been 10%. And let's say you did 2x leverage, stopped out. And now it's doing the same thing. So just to let you know. Just to let you know. To here. Okay. Yeah, and it's a trade_intuition. Trade_intuition. Here. Let's look at 1000 Floki. We're looking at this one. And oof. This one we were looking for a long. This one we're looking for a long. And we're saying we could enter now at this point. Have a lower entry, which it hit. Have another lower entry, which I don't think it'll hit. Boom. Not only did it hit, but it went all the way down. And I'm thinking the stop loss would have been 20%. And look at that. We got stopped out. That hurts. That hurts quite a bit. For cake, we were thinking to come up. And we've been doing it, really. And then this rollover, we may continue going up. But yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. Let me see if anybody. Oh, no. I came forward because I'm not even logged in. Well, I'm kind of logged in, but not really. But that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. We will see you on the next one. We go live. I'm going to probably do a bonus stream tomorrow. I'm doing a bunch of stuff, but we might do a bonus stream tomorrow. Just to let you know. And usually my bonus streams are at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard, but I'm going to try my best to do a bonus stream. If not, you can always reach out to me, trade_intuition on Telegram. And of course, I have Discord as well. The link's in the description and the link tree. I do thank you guys very much. And let's do the scammy cup in handy. We're gonna do the scammy cup in handy. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best. We will see you on the next video. Until then, as always, I'm not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. Let's do it, guys. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Signing off. We'll see you later on. Take care.
But never back it up. Talk a big game, but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense. Cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Vex go. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you less you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones. Not in agree, don't think on your own. Asking real questions, watch them get mad. Talking circles when they don't understand. Tricking new traders with hype and some lies. Showing rented cars, flexing fake lifestyles. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They promise riches, they promise gold. But where's the proof? They never showed. Just a flashy site, a paid group. Same old scam, man. You know the name that rhymes with scam. They don't trade, they just post receipts. Screenshots crop so you can't see the heat. Acting like bosses, acting like kings. But without their sign-ups, they ain't got a thing. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They don't want you to think, they just want your cash. Feeding you lies.
That's right, guys. They don't want you to think, they only want your cash. Not here, though. We show you how to successfully trade. Level by level, piece by piece, day by day. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bingo bango. Who got my chicken wings? Joe, just hit the stop button. Oh, here it is.